Children, let us start new chapter of biotechnology, second chapter, biotechnology and its application. In the first chapter of biotechnology, we have discussed principles and different processes of biotechnology. Now we will study its application in various areas. How this knowledge of biotechnology can be applied to different areas. So, agriculture, medicine, chemical industry, food industry, environmental protection, that is a waste treatment, power industry, is we can use this biotechnology knowledge, and in the future many more areas, as in many more areas this knowledge can be applied. Biotechnology, it deals with industrial scale production of biopharmaceuticals and biologicals using genetically modified microbes, fungi, plants and animals. So by using genetically modified organism, commercial scale production of medicine, biopharmaceuticals can be obtained. So application of biotechnology includes therapeutics, means different drugs, medicines, diagnostic, how to diagnose different diseases, genetically modified crops for agriculture, processed food, bioremediation, waste treatment and energy production. Major areas of research in the biotechnology are to supply best catalyst in the form of improved organisms with better characteristics. So, more and more research to find out best catalyst, suitable catalyst. Catalyst may be a microbe or it may be a pure enzyme. To create best conditions for optimal growth to obtain in maximum products. So to create optimal conditions by genetic engineering for a catalyst to function. Then the area of research is improvement in the downstream processing, purification of protein or organic compound. So this area can be improved by more research. Now, first of all, we come to the applications in agriculture. Increase in food production can be achieved by agrochemical based agriculture, in which we use most of the chemicals. Then organic culture, जिसमें chemicals नहीं use करते हैं. Third is genetically engineered crop based agriculture. So इस 3 वे से हम अपनी एग्रीकल्चर बढ़ाते हैं. ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन जब हुई, क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज्ड बाय यूजिंग इम्प्रूव्ड वेराइटीज. कुछ हद तक बेटर वेराइटीज से हुई और कुछ हद तक बेटर मैनेजमेंट प्रैक्टिसेस. यूज ऑफ एग्रोकेमिकल्स, फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स. Food supply was tripled, but still it could not meet the demands of growing human population. Agrochemicals were too expensive for farmers to afford. Moreover, these cause pollution in the soil, water. An increase in yield with existing varieties are not possible with conventional breeding. Then अगर हम सोचें कि ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग से करें विद कन्वेंशनल ब्रीडिंग, दैट इज नॉट मच पॉसिबल. Introduction of genetically modified crops was an alternative to obtain maximum yield by understanding genetics of the crops. Some useful aspects are genetically modified plants में क्या क्या हमने किया. सबसे पहले improvement in the nutritional quality. Quality wise improvement means vitamin A enriched rice. Similarly, fruits and vegetables में हम minerals, vitamins की quantity बढ़ा रहे हैं. So we are just improving the quality. better nitrogen fixation. Then tolerant to abiotic stress. So we are creating such plants which can easily tolerate abiotic stress condition, cold, drought, salt, heat, cold, etc. Then reducing reliance on chemical pesticides. So we are producing pest resistant varieties so that we should not use chemicals, pesticides. Reduce post harvest losses. How to reduce पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट लॉसेस? हार्वेस्टिंग के बाद शेल्फ लाइफ हम जो है वो किस तरह से इंक्रीज करें ताकि हमारे पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट लॉसेस कम हो. इंक्रीज एफिशिएंसी ऑफ मिनरल यूजेज बाय द प्लांट. So we increases the efficiency with which plants use minerals from the soil, so that prevent exhaustion of fertility of the soil. Production of disease resistant crop. तो पेस्ट रेजिस्टेंट क्रॉप्स, डिसीज रेजिस्टेंट क्रॉप्स हम बना सकते हैं by modification, by genetic engineering. Micropropagation for biomass energy production. So energy can be produced from the biomass, तो उसके लिए micropropagation can be done. So top 10 genetically modified crops: corn, soya, tomatoes, potatoes, peas, papaya. Dairy products, cottonseed, rice is canola, that is a oil, refined oil उसको बोलते हैं. तो this can be improved. तो genetically modified foods, तो some of these are very common, and ये तो food items है ना. Otherwise BT cotton ये जो है that is very common genetically modified crop. BT corn, that is also a genetically modified crops. So this was about the genetically modified foods, and next time we will discuss the pest resistant variety. That is a main application of biotechnology by which we have developed pest resistant varieties. Thank you so much.